You guys getting sick of this job yet with the brush clearing? I got these last, I think it's the last 3 trees we're taking out for right now. And I'm gonna try to stack them back in there, see if we can't get this fire going again. And then I got the grade or the coordinates on, whatever, elevation on starting to try to dig that basement out. So I guess that's what I want to work on next. So yeah, that's the plan now. I'm gonna try to throw this back on, get it burning, and then we'll go over there and start trying to figure out what to dig. It is a swamp out here still. Really, I already got mud on the windshield. All that rain, what little bit of snow we got yesterday morning. And with me having this torn up as bad as I do, it is not drying out. But it's supposed to be like sunny and 65 on Sunday. So I think that's why he's all anxious to get the basement going. Tree limbs are just such a pain. Problem is, I don't know if 1 or 2 of those little chunks of wood even gonna be enough to get this stuff to take back off. One can hope though, right? I think I got this figured out on the basement now. He showed up and told me, I guess for that stake where the ground is at, it's got to go down 10 foot 3 inches from there. And they didn't really have the measurement. It's going to be like about 6 foot 8 down there. Because I think when I shot this, it's 3 foot 7 1/4 difference in that. He asked for a 6 foot over dig, so that's what this and this guy is. And then it's actually going to be about, I think there's a porch on that end of it. It's going to be 8 feet this way. So I think I've only came in 6 or 7 feet from there, so we'll have like a foot or 2 over dig on that. But they're not doing a walkout anymore. I'm not really, there's something with the grade and the trusses and stuff like that. I don't understand all that part of it, but that's not really my call. We are just going to kind of dig this out, and I'll probably just kind of open that end up for any kind of water or anything right now, and then where they're able to get down in there. Because I think the majority of this dirt is going to go down that side and right here and kind of build that up and then have it taper down. But I'm going to start doing my cut up here. I think I'm going to take a lot of this and kind of lay it over up in here, because they're going to need some of this for backfill. But then the majority of it, I guess I'm just going to dig And a little at a time as I dig, just kind of push it out there past where that porch is going to go. And yeah, deal with it that way. I don't have the loader here, and it is way too muddy to get a truck in here. So this isn't, to me, the most ideal, but I guess if I had the loader here, I could at least just throw it over to the side and be pushing it on down. I may bring it tomorrow and see, but it is just a muddy mess, as you can see. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of leave these stakes up right now. I'm just trying to run down this string line and get my outline. And like I said, a lot of this right here, I'm going to pile up kind of over here in this spot, because they're going to need that to kind of backfill around this way. I know they're going to have clean rock and pipes and drainage, so it won't all go back in there, but at least I'll get my line this way and down this side, and then we'll just kind of get in there and just start cutting and laying it over. And I'll probably get a certain amount of it today, and then I'll just kind of keep bailing it back over there. Like, wanted to try to get some of that layer of mud and junk off the top. So I didn't get a ton of it, but kind of got it smoothed out a little bit. And at least make it a little bit easier to kind of work and not trip around this junk. I'm actually going to push the fire up, but then I'm going to finish digging over here to my corner, and then I'll go dig this side out, and then we'll just start kind of hogging that whole middle of it out. I may work my way across, dig all the junk off the top, the dirt and the mud and stuff like that, and just kind of take the loader and pile it down here, and then the clay part of it I'm going to push over here because we're going to need some clay kind of from where the middle of the fire's at, over there from the building. I got to build a pad there and build that up, so I'll need to go in there and scrape off all the soft muddy junk on that first, and then start pushing this clay over there and building that up. So yeah, it's just gonna be a long day of